Another week, another recipe. Today, we dive back into the cheesecake game with a quick chocolate microwave protein cheesecake. This one takes only a couple minutes to prep, has just the right texture, and 9 grams of net carbs, and the whole thing. So let's jump right into it. Before we start this one, I finally caved and made a TikTok. No, I'm not dancing on there yet, but if you drop me a follow at The Protein Chef, I'm gonna give a couple of you one of these shaker bottles. All right, cheesecake time. Start this recipe by adding into a bowl 1 large whole egg, 3 ounces of softened cream cheese. I used reduced fat today. 1/4 container of a complementing flavored Greek yogurt, 1 scoop of a good tasting chocolate protein powder, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and a little optional sweetener. You can also easily soften your cream cheese by microwaving it for 10 to 20 seconds. Mix all those ingredients up until smooth. Next, take out a microwavable dish around this size and coat it with some non-stick cooking spray. Pour your mix into your dish, top it with a couple chocolate chips or anything else you want, and put it into the microwave for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, quickly mix everything around and continue microwaving it for around 2 to 3 minutes. Keep in mind that your microwave time may change depending on how powerful your microwave is, so keep an eye on it. While that's microwaving, it's time for the tip of the day. Did you know that on a nutritional label, the ingredients are listed in the order of which they appear most in the item? For example, in this peanut butter, you have roasted peanuts, sugar, palm oil, and salt. If it didn't have peanuts listed first in peanut butter, then you might want to question what you're eating. Now with sugar being the second ingredient, it may also tell you that you could likely find a peanut butter with lower or even no sugar added. Use this to your advantage to easily cut down on specific ingredients or by making sure what's advertised is actually what's listed. Unlike most fruit snacks, which can have corn syrup and or sugar as the main ingredients. Moving on, you'll know it's done when it looks like this. Now the most important part of the recipe is to not eat it right after the microwave, unless of course you like hot cheesecake. What you need to do is to wrap it up once it cools down and put it into the fridge for 20 or 30 minutes. A couple tips for this one. Number 1, you can double or triple the recipe to make a bigger cheesecake. Just make sure you add microwave time. You can also scale it on the website. Number 2, full, reduced, or fat-free cream cheese will all work and can help you change up the macros. And number 3, think outside the flavor box. Peanut butter Greek yogurt with chocolate peanut butter protein powder, red velvet Greek yogurt with chocolate protein powder, and so on. So there you go, another protein cheesecake for the diet recipe box. Speaking of recipe box, drop a comment below with what kind of recipes you'd like to see me make this season. More slow cooker recipes, low carb, air fryer, let me know. With that said, thank you guys for the warm welcome back. Hit the thumbs up button to help the algorithm. Subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on socials at The Protein Chef. Check out our website, theproteinchef.co for more recipes. And of course, stay healthy.